throwing it back old school YouTube with a lookbook today. First of all, I just want to say a huge thank you to American Eagle for sponsoring this video. I've always been obsessed with American Eagle. Seriously, they're one of my favorite stores in the entire world. If you guys have watched me on YouTube for a long time, then you've seen tons of stuff all throughout the years of my lookbooks and things on this channel. So yeah, I thought in today's video I'd show you a few different outfit ideas that you can rock back to school this year. These outfits in particular, I feel like I would have normally worn back to school when I was in college. And if you have a strict dress code, no worries at all. Of course, just take these outfits and you can use them as inspiration and you can throw whatever else you want with them. But yes, all the pieces that I'm wearing today you could get from American Eagle. I'm going to leave the link down below. Be sure to go check them out. And yeah, I hope you guys like this whole lookbook. If you guys like them and you want me to do more outfits and like fashion sort of videos, let me know. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and let's get started. All right guys, starting off with outfit number 1, I am absolutely obsessed with this look. These are the American Eagle Next Level jeans and I absolutely love them. I think they're so cute because there's a bit of a flare at the bottom. Can I just say, as someone who is very self-conscious about their legs, specifically my thighs, I am so incredibly grateful and happy that flare jeans are coming back into style. I think that they are seriously so flattering on all body types, and I love these specific ones so much because they really allow me to express my individuality. And I decided to pair them with these really cute little white booties, which was a little bit out of my comfort zone, but I loved how it pulled together the white from this cute little white and pink ruffly top, and I just love the whole look all together. Moving on, I wanted to show you guys a look with a pair of white jeans. I love white jeans so much. I think that they are seriously so cute and that they match with just so many different things and also are kind of like a more elevated look than just plain blue jeans. And I decided to pair my white jeans along with a top that seriously just screams me. Like, I feel like I would wear this every single day of my life. It's just a black strapless top that has this cute little lace on top with a ruffle. It's just in at the waist. It's got a bow on it. It's all my favorite things. And then to accessorize the look, I wore these really cute earrings that are half gold with black on top just to tie the black back in. And then of course some black little booties with my jeans rolled up at the ankles, and that is the whole look. Moving on to look number 3, we have the one that I definitely was sporting the most all throughout school. This one is by far the most comfortable and just casual and so cute. I'm wearing one of my absolute favorite clothing staples, which is just a pair of blue skinny jeans. These ones are the Next Level jeans and they seriously are so comfortable, they fit so well, and they just make me feel incredibly confident. And for the top, I'm just wearing a graphic tee, which if you guys watch my vlogs or pretty much any of my videos, you know that I just love a graphic tee. I love tying a little knot in the side to add a little extra flair and just put my own little spin with my own style. And then to finish off the look, to make it extra comfy and casual, again, I just wore a pair of sneakers. You can wear whatever shoes you want with this. Just keep it comfy and casual and you are good to go. Side note, these jeans are seriously so comfortable and I love them so much because American Eagle jeans move with you. They are seriously so stretchy. I feel like I could do the splits in them and I just love them seriously so much.
Many beautiful faces.
We have look number 4, which is I think probably the girliest of them all. I love this look so much. I'm wearing this floral tube top, which you guys know I love a tube top and I love floral print, so it's just perfect for me, and best of all, it is stretchy and comfortable. And then I paired my top with these jeans that I am seriously obsessed with, you guys. They are the cutest black jeans, but best of all, they have this really cute little bow detail on them. When I saw them online, I seriously freaked out. I think they're the cutest jeans I've ever seen in my entire life. Seriously, where I was filming this video, 4 different girls stopped and asked me where my jeans were from because they are that cute. And then I paired the whole look together with some black booties with a little heel because I'm a short gal. I love a little heel. Ooh, that's also a thing that I love about American Eagle jeans is they come in short versions because I am a short gal. They also have tall, they have regular. They seriously have something for everyone, and I hope that if any of you guys rock any of your own looks with American Eagle, that you guys share it online with the hashtag AE and me so that we can see all your amazing looks. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you again to American Eagle for sponsoring this video. I love you guys so much. Seriously, such a big fan. And yeah, if you guys want to check out any of the specific pieces, they'll be linked down below. Go check them out, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!